OneNote, you can also insert different files. So in my case, we're going to insert a Word document. So let us go into file attachment right here. And over here, I'm going to select a Word document. Let's say I'm going to create a new blank Word document right here by right clicking on it. This is the Word document. I can simply insert this out over here and attach it up. So now you see that there's a Word document. I can double click here, press OK, and Microsoft Word actually opens up. I'm just going to type something and press Ctrl S to save the Word document file, close it again. And what that does is it simply is a link just like that. So if I were to double click, open that up, you can see that the same file actually opens up. So that is how you can link different files in OneNote just like that. So that is how you can insert files inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.